Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AdRoll data feeds into a data lake, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing AdRoll data feeds into your data lake, start by logging into your AdRoll account. Navigate to the data feeds section in the dashboard. Locate the specific data feed you want to authorize. Click on the options menu next to the chosen data feed. Select the settings option from the drop-down. In the Settings menu, find the Authorization section. Here, you will need to create a new authorization token. Click on the Create Token button. Fill in the required fields, including the name and description. Set the desired permissions for this token. After completing the form, save the token. Next, copy the generated token to your clipboard. Now, move to your data lake platform. Log in to your data lake environment. Navigate to the Integrations or Data Sources section. Select the option to add a new data source. Choose AdRoll from the list of available integrations. Paste your authorization token into the designated field. Fill in any additional required information, such as the endpoint URL. Confirm all fields are correctly filled out. Click on the Test Connection button to verify the setup. If the test is successful, proceed by clicking Save or Connect. Monitor the integration for a few minutes to ensure data is flowing. Review your data lake to check for the newly authorized AdRoll data feeds. Make any necessary adjustments if the data does not appear as expected. And that's how you authorize AdRoll data feeds into your data lake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.